Hi, welcome to Data Science Study Plan series. My name is Manav, and the whole purpose of this series is that if you're looking to crack a data science role, what study plan should you follow given the goals that you have? In this video, I'll be covering a 90-day study plan to become a data scientist. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing some of the best tips that you should follow in this 90 days to ensure that you actually get to your dream data science role. Let's start with the first step. The first step, what you need to take care of is you need to look at the prerequisites. Prerequisite that you require in this 90-day study plan is a laptop. Number one, any normal laptop would do as long as you have 4 GB of RAM. The second thing that you would require is some kind of mentor so that wherever you get stuck, you are able to seek help. And the third thing that you would require is resources so that you are able to follow a step-by-step approach, and that's something which will shorten the time duration for your success. If you have all of these prerequisites in place, the second thing that you require is the time that you need to allocate. On an average, I would recommend you to spend 1.5 to 2 hours per day, but on some days, even if it is 1 hour, that's fine. Even if you have a full-time job, I'm sure 1 to 2 hours in the night, say 9 to 10, 9:30 to 10:30, 10 to 11, you can easily dedicate to mastering this. Now, these are the prerequisites and this is the time that you need to allocate. Now, let's look at what the plan is. The first month is the most crucial month for learning anything, and it is true for data science as well. In the first month, your focus needs to be for the first 15 days mastering Python inside out, Python commands, Python basics, getting your hands dirty in Python. In the next 15 days, you need to master statistics inside out. Statistics basics are the core of data analysis and machine learning. And if you're comfortable with statistics, trust me, your journey later will be very easy. This is what you should do in the first 1 month. In the second month, your focus needs to be on learning Python packages like NumPy, Pandas, which are heavily used in the industry. For example, Pandas is something that you are going to be using quite a lot, so you need to get comfortable with this. Additionally, you need to learn Python packages like NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Bouquet, etc. that will help you in visualization and in understanding your data better. But more importantly, what is important for you is you should be implementing all of this in data set. If you're not doing that, you are not preparing yourself for success. You need to implement all of this in data sets, and that's extremely recommended. So this is the plan for month 2. In month 3, you need to focus on one thing, that is machine learning basics. The reason I'm mentioning basics is machine learning is a very vast term. People are doing PhDs in machine learning itself, and you cannot master machine learning in 1 month. That's why what you need to look at is the most fundamental machine learning algorithms that you need to learn. For example, linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, etc. Some of these algorithms, you need to know the assumptions, you need to know how they operate, you need to know the theory behind them. But more importantly, as I mentioned some time back, you need to implement these machine learning algorithms in data sets. If you're doing that, trust me, by working on 10 to 15 or 20 data sets, you would have a very strong command in machine learning basics as well. So this is the 90-day study plan, starting with month 1, in which you're learning Python statistics basics, month 2, in which you're learning Python packages and you're learning how to explore data, and month 3, in which you're learning machine learning basics. Follow the study plan, and if you're doing this, trust me, you are on your path to becoming a junior data scientist. This is the 90-day study plan. However, if you're looking to master machine learning to the next level, and if you're aiming for a data scientist position, 90 days are not enough. You need to watch out the 180-day plan, 6-month plan that I'll share in another video. Thank you for watching, and all the best.